clearly. See, one thing good about, I think a lot of people know, this microphone filters noise out. So I'm enjoying the process. I love it. And for the second pair, you can just the same thing you did with this first one, just on it. The next that anybody that is joining you can equally talk, and he's going to. I am tense because the stress of arranging this tripod is not easy. The tripod is small, so I have to put a table to arrange it. Mechanical, it's giving mechanic vibes. So guys, if you also want to use this second, you can just the same way you on it. Just 3 seconds up. 1 2 to on. The next person can just say something. Okay, so let's see. I have someone here with me, so let's give it a try. It's on. Say something, girl. Say hi.
Hi.
Good girl. Thank you. So that's it. You just on it, and when you on it, you can now do video, podcast with anybody that you want.
Subscribe.
Good girl. Oh, thank you. So guys, so far so good. I want to request for something. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe, because I'm bringing content. I'm going to be uploading. I'm going to be consistent in this channel for so long. Thank you to all the people that have stick with me, irrespective of me not posting videos, not entertaining you guys. I really appreciate. And if you are seeing this video for the first time, please do well to subscribe, because I am ready. I am ready to dish out content. And you can use it for iPhone. Look at the iPhone receiver. Like during the unboxing, I showed you guys the other receiver. Now this is the iPhone for iPhone users. But this microphone is mainly for those that use Type-C and iPhone. So my came with Type-C and iPhone this thing. So the Type-C, I've plugged my Type-C. That's what I'm using now to connect with you guys. To connect with this microphone. What's this? So if I don't put this thing like this, it will not stick. Nonsense. So if you don't want to hold it, you can clip it on your clothes and then say whatever you want to say. Bye guys.